Hello everyone, this is Yuxiang Zhang, and this is my answer for homework 10. This is my answer for first question. For first question, there has three small questions. For first question, a Poisson process. Its probability matrix is P of n of T1, T2 equals to K equals to E to the power 2 minus lambda t multiply lambda t is to the power k over k, and its mean is e of xt equals to lambda multiply t, and its auto correlation is rt t2 equals to lambda t2 lambda multiply t2 plus lambda square multiply t1 multiply t2 when t1 is greater or equals to t2, and r of t1 t2 equals to lambda multiply t1 plus lambda square multiply t1 multiply t2 when t1 is smaller or equals to t2. Or we can write it like this: c of t1 t2 equals to lambda multiply minimum t1 t2 equals to lambda multiply t1 multiply u of t2 minus t1 plus lambda multiply t2 multiply u of t1 minus t2. So x of t means counting the number of occurrence of an event in link to t, and its properties is xt2 minus xt1 also is the Poisson distribution when t2 is greater than t1, and x of t2 minus xt1 and x of t4 minus x of t3 are independent when t1 to t2, t3 to t4 is disjointed. And because e of x of t equals to lambda multiply t, so xt is not the WSS. And for second question, Poisson increasement. X of t is Poisson process, and c is fixed. So we can define yt equals to x of t plus c minus x of t over c. So its probability mass is p of x of t equals to n over c equals to p of x of t plus c minus x of t equals to n equals to e to the power 2 minus lambda multiply c multiply lambda multiply c to the power n over n when n equals to 0, 1, 2. And its mean is e of x of t equals to 1 over c multiply e of x of t plus c minus xt equals to 1 over c multiply lambda multiply c, it equals to lambda. And its autocorrelation is ry of t1 t2 equals to 1 over c square multiply lambda multiply c square, it equals to lambda square when t1 plus c is smaller than t2, and it equals to lambda square plus lambda square over c when t1 plus c is greater than t2. So for Poisson process xt of t and the intervals xt1 to t2 and xt3 to t4, we have x of t1 minus x of t2 minus xt1 is independent of x of t4 minus xt3 if the two intervals are not overlapping. when T1 plus C is greater than T2, the autocorrelation only depends on tau, and the mean is constant. So Poisson increment is WSS. For second question, normal processes, xt1, x of t1, the x of tn are jointly normal for any n t1, the tn, and it is statistics of a normal process is fully determined by e of x of t equals to epsilon t, and e of xt1 plus multiply xt2 equals to rx of t1 t2. If x of t is WSS, so epsilon xt is constant, and rx of t1 t2 only depends on the tau equals to t1 minus t2. So we can get normal process is SSS. So thank you everyone. This is my answer for question 1 of homework 10.